Welcome back to Kid Cook Café. Transform snack time into an exciting feast with these irresistible mini bagel pizzas. Get your mini bagels, pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella, and choice toppings ready. Halve the bagels and arrange them on a baking tray. Spread a dollop of sauce on each half, top it with mozzarella, and pile on toppings like pepperoni or colorful veggies. Bake at 375 degrees for approximately 10 minutes until the cheese turns golden and bubbly. Voila! Snack magic! Mini bagel pizzas that will disappear in seconds. Give them a whirl today!